Have you ever wondered how Instagram stores millions of posts? Or how YouTube queues your videos seamlessly? It's all about data structures. And one of the most widely used is the array. From your Instagram feed to the logic behind self-driving cars, arrays are everywhere. Before we dive into arrays, let's quickly revise what data structures are, something we explored in the last video. Data structures are simply ways to store and organize data for efficient access and modification. We mainly have two types: linear, like arrays, linked lists, and stacks; nonlinear, like trees and graphs. Today we focus on the king of linear data structures, arrays. An array stores elements in contiguous memory. That means the elements are placed back to back, just like houses on a street. In simple terms, they're stored sequentially. This is how an array stores data in contiguous memory, which simply means the elements are placed side by side, one after the other. Each box you see here holds a value, called an element, like 2, 5, 3, and so on. Above each element, there's a number, starting from 0. This is called the index. The index helps us locate each element in the array. For example, if we want to access the number 10, we can find it at index 4. Because all these elements are stored sequentially, or back-to-back in memory, we can quickly access any value using its index. That's the beauty of arrays: fast, organized, and super efficient. Let's start coding. First, we include the IOStream library. This lets us use input and output functions like cout. Next, we write using namespace std. This helps us avoid writing std again and again. Inside the main function, which is where our program starts, we create an array of integers called ARR. You can actually give it any name you like. ARR is just a common short name for array. The 5 means this array can store 5 integer values. For now, we've just declared it. In the next steps, we'll see how to add values and use array indexes to work with the data. In this example, we're directly declaring and initializing the array with values 3, 8, 10, 9, and 4. This means we've already assigned values to each index at the time of declaration. Then, using a simple for loop, we're printing each element of the array one by one. The output will display the elements of the array are 3, 8, 10, 9, 4. This is a quick and easy way to work with known values in an array without asking the user for input. Let's look at this code. We've declared an integer array named ARR and tried to initialize it with 6 values: 3, 8, 10, 9, 4, and 4. But here's the issue. The array is only declared to hold 5 elements, as shown by ARR5. That means we're trying to store more values than the array can handle, which leads to undefined behavior in C++. So remember, if you write ARR5, you can only store 5 elements, from index 0 to 4. To fix this, either remove the extra value or increase the array size to match the number of values. This time, we're initializing the array with the values 3, 8, 10, x, and 4. But there's a mistake. X is not an integer. Since this is an int array, all values must be numbers. To fix this, just replace x with a valid integer like 7 or any number you want. That's all for arrays in this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments section or reach out to us on Instagram using the link in the description below. We'd love to hear from you. In the next video, we'll be diving into linked lists, so stay tuned. We hope you understood arrays today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment if you found this helpful. Keep learning and stay with us on the next generation.